Will Tron ever hit $10? There have been many price predictions out there, and many of them are saying that the coin can 10 to 50x by the end of 2025. With the price currently sitting at 6 cents. In this video, we'll take a look at what the coin is, and the best price prediction by the end of the year. Now, let's get right to the video. Many believe that a 10 to 50x can be very attainable as long as the coin follows through with a roadmap and enhances the network. But the coin's price will also be impacted by the crypto market's performance, and the adoption rate of and efficiency of the coin. For many people to take any coin into consideration, first we have to look at what the foundational principle is for the coin, and some of the catalysts and things that have to go right for the coin to reach those 10 to 50x numbers and how realistic those price targets can be. And we'll also take a look at a very realistic price prediction for 2025. An overwhelming number of analysts believe that the coin could go well beyond its previous all-time high considering mass adoption, an increase in retail investors, and a combination of whale accumulation. The coin has not gained much popularity, yet despite its huge potential, it's regarded as one of the best cryptocurrencies to hold. First, in the coming years, the performance of the crypto market will have an impact on the coin's price, considering the path of Bitcoin's price and the adoption rate following the implementation of network improvements. You also have to consider that we are now in a new era of cryptocurrency investments. Aside from the regular 3-year bear market to a 1-year bull market, cryptocurrency itself has now taken the attention worldwide, and we are now seeing a new market cycle in the crypto space. So, what is Tron? Tron, TRX, is a decentralized blockchain-based operating system developed by the Tron Foundation and launched in 2017. Originally TRX tokens were ERC-20-based tokens deployed on Ethereum, but a year later they were moved to their own network. Initially, the project was created with the aim of providing full ownership rights to makers of digital content. The main goal is to help content creators, who receive only a small part of the income, and encourage them with more rewards for their work. How? Invite content consumers to reward content makers directly, without intermediaries like YouTube, Facebook, or Apple. To make an accurate prediction, first we need to look at the efficiency of the coin and any updates it might currently have. Tron has positioned itself as an environment where content creators can connect with their audiences directly. By eliminating centralized platforms, whether they are streaming services, app stores, or music sites, it is hoped that creators won't end up losing as much commission to middlemen. In turn, this could also make content less expensive for consumers. Given how the entertainment sector is increasingly becoming digitized, Tron could have a head start in applying blockchain technology to this industry. The company also says that it has a talented and experienced developer team, based around the world, that has been drawn from major companies such as Ripple Labs. Last but not least, whereas some other blockchain projects can be opaque about their plans for development, Tron offers a point of difference by delivering a roadmap that shows its intentions for the coming years. Considering all mass adoption takes place and Bitcoin having hit all of its consolidation periods, we can see a new all-time high of 25 cents by the end of the year. Having all this in mind and what the founders are doing, we can easily see the coin hit another 10 to 20x by 2025. Remember that the best way to make money with any investment is to be patient with your investments and let them grow over time. Comment down below for any cryptocurrency price prediction you'd like next.